Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my thoughts on rare beauty products. And if you're wondering, yes, I did film this eye look. It is going to be in a separate video, and I used the Odens Eye plus Angelica Hela palette. So stay tuned for this if it has not come out already. For now, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing with rare beauty products and my thoughts on it. I'm going to start off with Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip Primer. Now I know you guys usually don't see me put on primers, but I've been testing out the Hydro Grip and so far I've been liking it. So I'm going to keep using it and continuing to see how it goes. Now with this, I've heard that you definitely want to let it dry down before applying any foundation. So I'm gonna do just that. I don't have the Rare Beauty primer, unfortunately, so this is why I'm using the Milk one. So I'm gonna start off with Rare Beauty's liquid foundation. I have the color 360W. This is the color that they sent me, and I do like this color for myself. So this is what the color looks like on me. And I have tried their products out, so this is not a first impressions. This is more so like sharing my thoughts and feelings about Rare Beauty. So I really like this foundation. It kind of looks like skin to me, which I really like. I feel like some foundations you can kind of like tell that this is foundation. This is a lot going on, you know, but with this one I feel like it does look like skin. And with this foundation, I believe it said that it was a medium to full coverage foundation. I feel like it's more on the medium side, slightly buildable. When you add like a full coverage powder on top of this to set it, it does look more full coverage because you're getting more of that coverage from the powder. Just gonna blend this out with my Rare Beauty foundation brush, which I really love and enjoy. I really do love this brand. This brand is such a nice brand, and the people that work at the brand, you can just tell they really care about the brand, and they like really put their all into everything, and they're just really nice people. Like, this brand is really thoughtful and just nice, and I just feel like, you know, sometimes you don't get that from certain brands. You don't get that like meaningful interactions and thoughtfulness. So I really do like this brand a lot for that, and the products are amazing as well. Next, I'm going to be taking the Rare Beauty's concealer. I have the color 310W, which is the same as, oh actually it's not the same as the foundation, it's a little bit lighter than the foundation, which is fine with me. I do like to brighten. Yeah, I'm just going to apply this right here, and I love the brush applicators for these like foundation and concealer. It's really nice. And then I like to blend this out with the foundation brush as well. You definitely could use the concealer brush, the Rare Beauty concealer brush, but since this is smaller, I don't really feel like I need to use it for like this part of my face. I kind of prefer to use it for my under eye area, but I feel like the foundation brush like does the job, so I don't really reach for it that often. But this concealer is really nice. I like the way that it sits underneath my eyes. It has a really good coverage as well. I feel like it has even slightly more coverage than the foundation. And now I'm going to use Rare Beauty's contour sticks, which she recently came out with, and I'm going to use the colors Full of Life and Always Sunny. Full of Life is a little bit darker, so I like to go in mainly with Always Sunny. I like to take this on my hairline here. I like to go along my cheeks with this as well. And with the darker one, I will just add like a little bit. And I'm going to use my Sephora number 56 brush to blend this out into my hairline. And I do really like these cream contour sticks as well. I feel like her products, you know what I like about them is that you don't have to squeeze anything out. I know that that sounds like maybe petty or like so small, but with these, I like how you can just open it, apply it, and go. Like, you don't have to like put anything on a plexi to really get the product out like some of these brands. You really just can open it, put it on closed, you know. But yeah, this is super easy to blend out. I feel like a lot of her products too are also very easygoing. They're not complicated to use either. They're really easy to use, so I do like that. And then I'm gonna go back with my foundation brush just in case I kind of made my forehead a little too dark, and then I'm gonna do the same thing along my cheekbones. Everything just blends and melts together really nicely. And then whatever is left over on the brush, I like to apply on the sides of my nose. Now I'm gonna take her blush. I usually always use Love. This is like my favorite one from her line is Love, but today I'm gonna go for more of a pink blush. So I'm gonna take this color called Encourage, which I believe is one of her newer shades. And literally, I love how this product, you really don't need that much either. Like a little goes a long way. Now I'm going to take her, I don't remember what brush this is, but this is like, I think this is what helps blend out the blush, the cream blushes. But yeah, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just going to blend out Encourage, which is, yes, like the perfect color for this look. And I'm gonna blend it into the cream contour over here, but also like blend it out in the front. And I love this brush, guys. I like the size of it, and it just helps blend out the blush really nicely. And her cream blushes, like I said, I liked how a little goes a long way with the product. Even just that one little dot was like, did so much for me. But I also just like the way that it sits on the skin. And now I'm gonna go back with my foundation brush and just go along the edges of the blush because it's getting a little hard to blend because I put too much high up. So I'm just gonna do that, and that looks much better. Very, very pretty. Love it. And so now I'm going to set my face with powder, and I think that's pretty much the only Rare Beauty products I'm going to be using in this video. I do have her loose setting powder, but I'm going to share my thoughts after I finish my face really quick, and I'll come right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm actually not finished with my face. As you can see, I still have some things to finish up, but I wanted to show you guys something that I thought was really cool. I saw one of my friends on Instagram use one of the Rare Beauty liquid blushes on her lip, which I thought was really, really pretty. So I wanted to do that today. I'm gonna use the color Hope, which is a little bit lighter than the color that I used today called Encourage. So I'm gonna use the color Hope on the lips. It's like a nice pink. I feel like I want to go with a more pink vibe with this look, so yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's so pretty. Obviously it wasn't made to be a lip product, so I have not worn this out before to know how long it lasts and everything like that, but it is very pretty on the lip. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm also going to top this off with the Alamar Cosmetics gloss called Birthday Suit, like a nice pink as well, like that. Very, very, very pretty. I'm gonna finish my look and come right back to give you an overall finished review of Rare Beauty, and yeah, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with this finished look. I really love how my face like base makeup came out today. It looks so good. So the foundation, like I said earlier, it is a really nice, it gives you like a nice skin like finish, natural finish, looks like skin. I feel like it's more of a medium slight buildable coverage. And as far as the Rare Beauty concealer, I really do like this concealer. It sits under the eye really nicely. It blends out really smoothly with the foundation. All of her products really go well together and blend well together. But yes, I really like this concealer. It covers my under eyes really nicely. I love this color for brightening as well. I feel like it has a slight more coverage than the foundation itself, I would say. And next, for her contour sticks, I do really like these sticks. I like her products and how they are just kind of apply and go. You don't really have to squirt any products out. I believe the only Well, I'm sure there are some of hers that do that. For example, like her primer. Like obviously you have to dispense the primer, but for her other products I have showed you today, I like how I just am able to just quickly apply it and move on. I don't have to dispense anything. So yeah, I really like these cream contours. They blended out really, really nicely, and I feel like the colors really work well with my skin tone as well. But yeah, I really like these a lot. I used the color Encourage on my cheeks here. I did set it with a powder blush as well, but yeah, I did like this color so much. Like out of all of the new ones that she released recently, this is like my favorite one. And I love her blushes. I love how you literally could put on 1 or 2 dots and be good. Like you really don't need that much product, which I feel like helps with the longevity of this product. Like you really could keep this for probably a whole year before it expires and get really good use out of it before buying a new one. And I also used this color called Hope on my lips as well, which was really nice with the brown tone liners to create like a nice ombre lip. And yeah, this color is really pretty on the lip as well. Like I said, I'm not sure if it will last long by itself on the lip because it's not technically a lip product, but I saw my friend use it and I was like, oh, I want to try that too. That's genius. So yeah, I really like it for that. I do have her loose powder here in the color Medium. The reason why I did not use this color is because I have tried it before and the brand did send me this color, and this color I did use it on my face before, and on my face it just darkened my face a little bit. I definitely need one color up. And personally, for loose powders, I like to use them for baking under the eye, so I do like it to be brighter. So I wouldn't mind if it was lighter for that, but I also don't like to use it for the rest of my face. I like to use a pressed powder like this for the rest of my face because it's just easier, quicker, faster. And then for these smaller parts here or like under here is where I like to bake and add that loose powder on top. I'm sure it's amazing, but I didn't really get to really figure out like how I felt about this product because I feel like I would rather have a lighter color that would suit me a little bit better. And then today I also used her mascara. Now for this, it's hard to show you guys how her mascara looks on my lashes because I'm wearing falsies, 1, but also number 2 is that I did use it like on my bottom lashes as well, but I know you guys can't really see, but I do want to share like how I feel about it. I do like this mascara. I feel like it is a bigger mascara and I do tend to like, well, it's a bigger like wand, you know, like a little, I don't even know, I forgot what this is called, but it's bigger. And I usually go for like smaller ones like this, like the one from Maybelline, but this one is actually pretty good. I do like it a lot. But yeah, overall guys, I really do love Rare Beauty's products. They're really great for that everyday girl, you know, easy makeup to use. Like her products are so easy to use, so blendable, not complicated at all, and I feel like it's great for the everyday girl. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did film this eye look already as well. It either is up already or is going to be up soon, so stay tuned to check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.